Welcome to Assembly Recognition and Rewards. To give recognition in Assembly, click Give Recognition. Then select the person or people you would like to give recognition to. Next, write a meaningful message to share what amazing things your teammate did. Lastly, reward your teammate with points to give an extra thanks for all their hard work, and click Post. Your post will be visible to everyone in your assembly so that everyone can see and interact with it. Anyone can add an extra boost to a recognition post by replying to the post. You can give a boost to someone else who wasn't mentioned in the original post as well, if they contributed and deserve to be celebrated. You can view your earned balance as well as your monthly allowance to give to your teammates at any time. Your earned balance is the total number of points you have received through recognition. These points can be redeemed at any time for an entire catalog of rewards. For gift cards, you can choose any gift card offered in your country. Simply find the gift card, click Select Reward, determine the amount you would like to redeem, and click Redeem. And it's as easy as that. We hope you enjoy Assembly Recognition and Rewards.